Hi everyone, I've got a really quick video to share with you today. I made some gift tags and I just wanted to quickly give you a little video on how I made them. It's quite straightforward, which is why the video is so quick. I printed out these tags that I designed and I just cut them out. These tags are available as a digital download on my Etsy, so you can download them yourself and then you can print them out and cut them out like I have here. I take my crocodile and I punch holes where the little circle mark is. Now you could just use a normal hole punch to do this, you don't have to do it with a crocodile. Once I've done that, I use my eyelets and I put them into the holes that I've created. Again, you don't have to use eyelets, you could just put some ribbon straight through, but I have them and I like the effect that it has. It just gives them that extra special look. I have got physical copies of these available for sale as well. There's only 3 sets of each design available at the moment. So once I've used my crocodile to press the eyelets in place, I take some red ribbon and I tie some ribbon through each of the tags. Once I've done that, I just cut off any little frays at the end. Then I dab some fabric glue on the end of each piece just to stop it fraying again. And then I usually set those to one side and leave them to dry for a couple of hours. You can see I use this really old paintbrush that I've got. It's got loads of glue on it. It's kind of what I go to dab on because my actual glue applicator for my fabric glue is broken. So I use this paintbrush to dab it all on. I use it with my super glue as well for other things. It's really handy actually. And here I've got another set, they're Christmas trees. And it's just the same process. I've cut them all out. I'm using the crocodile to just punch the holes in. And then I'm going to add my eyelets again. And again, I'm just tying the ribbon off and I will go ahead and put some more fabric glue on those too. So if you like these little tags, you could make something similar yourself, or you could go ahead and purchase my digital download from my Etsy store. I'll add the link below for you. Or if you don't want to make them or you haven't got the time, you could just buy a set. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again soon guys, bye!